Hi, my name is Joshua and I'm from the League of Amazing Programmers. Today I'll be teaching you how to use basic string operations in Java. So, for example, if we have two strings, like the first one could be League of, and the second one could be Amazing Programmers, we could actually concatenate these strings together with S1 plus S2. So this will combine these two together. So if we run this, it should say League of Amazing Programmers. Yeah. And this is just one of the methods to do with strings. So for example, you could get the length of the string by just doing s1.length. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This should print out 9. Yep, and see it prints out 9. And note that it counts spaces too as one character. So that's why it has 9 instead of 8. Also, there are things like s1.2 lowercase, which makes everything in the string to lowercase. So this would print out League of, but this is lowercase. And there's also the same thing with uppercase. And here it would just print out everything on caps. So these are just a few of the string methods you could use. You can just all you have to do is just write the string name dot, and you can see a whole bunch of methods here. So going back to the string concatenation, I'll just make that back. And yeah, now that you know the basic string methods, you can use them on your own with your own Java code. Thank you.